Do you want to add your address to your booking.com account? Let me walk you through step by step how to do that. All you have to do is sign into your booking.com account and click your profile on the upper right hand side and go to my account. From here, scroll down towards the middle, you'll find manage account. Click on your personal details, and from here, scroll down towards the bottom and you will have address. Click on the edit button, and from here you can enter your country or region. So I can go ahead and I can just basically find the country, can add something here, and from here I can just type whatever I want. So I'm going to just add something in here as an example, and you can basically, do the same. I can just make up something here, and I can just make up some zip code as well, something like that. Yeah, and just go ahead and click on save. The address that I add right now is not correct, guys, so I'm just making up something here. So that's basically it. So you can easily go ahead and add address to your booking.com account if you so desire, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.